Alright YouTube, welcome back to a new CBSR Boys video. Today, we're going to do a quick durability test on this Ibishu Miramar, something like that. It's a Ute. It's the Ute version of the manual. Only mods into it are the skid plate, a race exhaust, and a roll cage. Other than that, no additional power mods, no additional mods other than those. And the only reason I did a roll bar is there is no roll cage. If there's a roll cage, I would have done that. Also, let me know down below in the comments if you want to see a Honda Civic durability test and a Crown Victoria durability test. Honestly, I might film them. I might post them today. And if not, comment other car mods you want me to get. Just like the type of car. Like say you want a BMW M4, say do a BMW M4. And I'll try and find the best free mod I can find. Obviously, because I'm not paying money for mods yet. But if this channel starts making money in the future, I will start buying mods. I'm sorry it's been so long since I've posted a video. I've been really busy calling people, making stuff for my other channel, just doing lots of stuff, which doesn't include playing Beam. I've quite literally played Beam once in like these 2 weeks, and that was at my friend's house pretty much, so. Ooh, that's not good. Lost my skid plate, so we're probably gonna lose oil pan in a little bit. Oh, nice. That's just lovely. I guess we're gonna go down this hill. There we are, back to normal. Okay, well that's gonna be the end of this durability test. Now we're just gonna redline the engine. I broke the rear drive shaft. A minute and 50 seconds. That's how long you got Ibishu Miramar. We're running with no oil pan, no radiator, no exhaust, running upside down, rolled over onto its roof. That's going to be it for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.